today we're going to continue with division, and we're going to talk about grouping. Now, in the last video we talked about sharing into equal groups, where you had 6 divided by 3, you would make your 3 circles based on your divisor. You would separate, or you would share 6 into those 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you would count how many were inside of each circle, 1, 2, and 2 would be your answer. Grouping is very similar to sharing. So we're going to talk about how we can use grouping to solve our division problems today. Nope, look, there's 2. So if I had the problem 12 divided by 4, instead of making 4 groups and sharing 12 within those groups, I'm going to go ahead and draw my 12 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can use triangles, circles, stars, whatever you want to use that will quickly draw your objects based on your dividend, 12. Then I'm going to put them in groups of 4 based on my divisor. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and put those in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, put those in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4 and put those in a group. To get my answer, I'm going to count how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Some of you may notice that if I flip this around, I know that 3 times 4 equals 12, because division is the opposite of multiplication, just as subtraction is the opposite of addition. Let's take a look at what a division word problem would look like and use our grouping strategy. Blake had 21 pieces of gum. He shared them between himself and his 2 friends. How many pieces of gum did each person get? So Blake had 21 pieces of gum, and this is a little tricky. He shared them between himself and his 2 friends. So if I put his 2 friends and Blake together, I'm going to be dividing this number by 3, and that's going to give me my answer. Now, even though this is sharing, I can still use my grouping strategy because all of the division strategies work together. So I'm going to draw 21 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I like, whenever I'm drawing large groups of numbers, I like to put them in lines of 10 so that I don't forget anything. So now, I drew my 21 objects. Now I am going to put them in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 groups, so my answer is 7. Just something to keep in mind if you're using this strategy and you end up that you have some left over or you can't make a group of 3, go back and count how many objects, because we're not working with leftovers or remainders, so you shouldn't have any. So sometimes it means we made a mistake somewhere else. So let's go through our steps again of how we can use our grouping strategy. First, you draw the amount of objects based on your dividend, the first number, the big number. Big. And remember, with your objects, you can draw stars, you can draw circles, you can draw triangles, you could do X's, whatever is going to be easiest for you. Then put those objects into groups based on your divisor, that second number, the smaller number. Then count the number of groups, and that will give you your quotient or your answer.